Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Tree felling requires not only strength and courage, but also high skill, absolute precision, and good coordination. Everyone has the same goal: to do the job safely, accurately, and with optimal efficiency. If I were him, I would choose to stand firmly on the ground and pull down the tree, instead of risking climbing up and suffering a painful fall. When you are on the tree to cut, I advise you not to use a rope to connect the treetop to the trunk, because when the tree falls, the strong shaking can cause you to lose control and be in danger. Careful preparation and careful calculation are vital factors in this job. For large trees, professional workers saw around the base of the tree several times and use wedges to adjust the tilt. This technique helps the tree fall safely and accurately, thereby minimizing the risk. If you encounter such a tree, choose a different direction to stand to ensure more safety. You should follow and learn this worker's top tree cutting technique. It will help you a lot every time you have to change heads with large trees. If you forget to calculate the direction of the tree and the wind direction, the result can be very bad. He should have trimmed the tree trunk to remove all the branches and twigs to ensure safety before sawing it.
I think that's it.
Did you see him put the ladder in the wrong position that led to the unfortunate incident? In dangerous situations, you can use ropes and winches. This is the safest and strongest way to cut down trees. Give me a fulcrum and I will lift the world. The above saying is true in this situation. You will be like him if you think you can use one person's strength to hold a large tree branch with a fragile rope. To ensure safety, always keep your distance and stay away when the tree starts to fall. Fortunately, it was just an abandoned house, so there was no serious damage. Be very careful when sawing trees on a slope because the tree can fall and slide down at a fast speed, taking us with it if we are not careful. For professional workers, with just 3 cuts, the big tree will fall perfectly. Oh my god, if the treetop had fallen in the opposite direction, it would not have hit the forklift and caused an accident.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Hey! Get out of there! Get out of there!
Thanks to timely reminders, the worker avoided the risk. Always concentrate when doing such dangerous jobs. Stand aside to saw a tree on a slope and let it fall downhill to ensure safety. The guy should have used a rope longer than the falling range of that tree. If you look closely, you will see that this ladder is in the wrong position. It should not be leaning against the tree he is sawing. Put up signs or fences on the road so that everyone is not in danger when the trees fall on the road. Tie a rope across the trunk like he did and pull it after sawing the base will save energy and ensure safety during the felling process. A painful fall, he definitely did not calculate carefully before cutting this tree. Small trees always have risks. Do not be subjective with it. He should cut the log shorter so that it does not fall on the fence and cause it to break. A clumsy person is definitely not suitable for this job.
What happened?
You should not cut trees on Friday the 13th. Really unlucky. Wow, no need for heavy machinery, just with a chainsaw, the worker can cut down a large number of trees on the hillside. Standing in front of a fallen tree is not a wise choice. Be careful with trees along the road. They can fall at any time and cause danger to you while driving. Remember, your safety should always come first. Remember, your safety always comes first. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.